Safety Toolbox Talk number 108. Welding Safety Tips. General gas welding safety tips. Inspect equipment for leaks at all connections using approved leak test solution. Inspect hoses for leaks and worn places. Protect hoses and cylinders from sparks, flames, and hot metal. Use a flint lighter to ignite the flame. Stand to the side, away from the regulators, when opening cylinder valves. Open cylinder valves very slowly to keep sudden high pressures from exploding the regulators. Only open the acetylene cylinder valve 1/4, 3/4 turn. Leave wrench in place so the cylinder can be quickly closed in an emergency. Open and light acetylene first, then open and adjust oxygen to a neutral flame. Close the acetylene torch valve first. When shutting off the torch, a pop might occur as the oxygen blows out the flame, but this eliminates the possibility of the flame burning up the acetylene line. When finished, close cylinder valves, bleed the lines to take pressure off regulators, neatly coil hoses, and replace equipment. Have a fire extinguisher easily accessible at the welding site. Thank you.